Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings, alishanmao here. Look at that bright, nice, warm sun came out after a long time of raining. Constantly it was raining. So I came out at this spot which I wanted to show you a long time ago. And let's capture the beauty of this spot using the old new Geelang ANGER 85X Cinewhoop. This is an HD Cinewhoop. That means it can record with an onboard DVR 1080p 60 frames per second video. And the good thing is that the whole platform is vibration damped, which I will show you very soon. So the camera and DVR platform is vibration damped, and it does not record any kind of jello. Now I went to another beautiful spot, but somehow, I don't know, a glitch happened and this recorded in 720p. That spot was very far. I rode there and I flew it, but that glitch just put the videos in 720p. I hope now when I fly it in this beautiful spot, it's going to record in 1080p and there will be no such glitch. The thing that I was talking about, as you can see, the whole camera and DVR unit is vibration damped using those zip ties kind of things that poor man's vibration damping platform that we used to make before with zip ties, but this time they actually did it using some plastic parts. So it actually works very well. There's no jello at all in the camera, in the video. Let's go check out the specs right here. Alright, so you know everything about this quad and its spec, so let's fly it and let's check out this area from the eye of the ANGER 85X Cinewhoop. right, this was fun flying in this area, and I hope you enjoyed the shots here. I was really worried to fly over water. I wanted to go under that bridge, you know, and then come back up. But I'm kind of a little scared that what if I lose signals and, you know, I actually want to pull a power loop on that bridge. But anyway, we'll do it with some good FPV racing quadcopter. For now, this one is a Cinewhoop, and I just want to know how good the video is gonna turn out shot using the ANGER 85X. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Stay updated for all the upcoming uploads. Riding my bobber, of course. So I'm heading to another area and hope we find some other place to fly. And you can see that area as well. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right there.